Before we begin our packet about matter, I would like you to make sure you put your name up at the top in the little green box. Pause the video if you need to take care of that, and then we're going to begin. Our essential question says, what can we observe about objects? Engage your brain. Find the answer to the question in the lesson. How are the blocks in this rabbit the same? They are all blank. You're going to return to this later after we finish and make sure you fill in your blank. For your active reading, you need to preview the lesson and make sure you write the 5 vocabulary terms here. Circle the number 5. There are 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for you to write your 5 bold print highlighted vocabulary words. Now pause the video and write your 5 vocabulary words. When you are finished, you are going to pick this paper up and turn it to page 124. Why matter matters. Look around. What do you see? Are there trees, toys, or books? These things are matter. Matter, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. Matter is anything that takes up space. Even the air you breathe is matter. Next page, flip your packet over. It tells us to look at the ball, the clock, and the boy. So I want you to circle ball, clock, and boy, because it tells you to draw an X on each thing that is matter. But everything you see in this picture on both 124 and 125 is all matter. If you can see it, it's matter. But they're telling us to draw an X on each thing that is matter, and we don't want to cross off everything in the picture. We just want to cross off the ball, the clock, and the boy. So you'll find the boy on page 125, the ball and the clock are on page 124. So you'll just flip back and make sure you find the ball and the clock. You can pause and take care of that. And then you're going to turn to page 126. Pause whenever you need to take care of something. On page 126 it says, what's it like? A property, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. A property of matter is one part of what something is like. So underline the definition. A property of matter is one part of what something is like. Some properties are size, shape, color, and texture. These are ways you can describe matter. Texture, bold print highlighted vocabulary word, circle it. Texture is what an object feels like. Now we're going to look at some properties of matter. So down here our subtitle says size. Big and small are words that tell about size. So looking at these 3 race cars, there are 2 race cars that are the same size and one is a different size. So I see these 2 are small compared to this one, which is bigger. So we're going to put an X on the one that does not match. It is a different size. Next, you can describe things by shape. Star and heart are words that tell about shape. So I want you to look at these and cross off which one is a different shape. Then you're going to flip your paper over, pausing whenever you need to. These are those directions that tell you that in each box, draw an X on the object that does not belong, so that's what we're working on now. And this subtitle says color. Red and blue are words that tell about color. So I want you to look and see at these three objects which one is a different color and put an X on it. Then we're going to move to texture. Soft and hard are words that tell about texture. So two of these are the same and one is different. I want you to put an X on the one that is a different texture than the other two. When you're finished, you're going to turn to the next page, 128. Pause whenever you need to, and then restart the video. Actually, we are going to stop the video there.